Today I'm here with my sister Emily.
Hi.
And me and my sister Sarah, we've made people out of snacks, so now we're going to make some snacks out of people. So what we're doing is we're going to make some pancake art. We're doing self-portraits. We don't have any food coloring, so we're not doing it the traditional way where you color the food coloring and then make pancake art like that. We're making pancakes and then we're gonna use some different toppings to decorate them and make some faces. Let's get right to it.
Yeah.
No!
That can work, that can work. Yeah, there you go. You look like you're a dog.
I do look like a dog. Oh gosh.
Are you ruining the hair?
Nope.
Oh, you did it. Yeah, it's kind of pale.
I am pale.
No, if you keep flipping pancakes.
This is a face, sort of.
It kind of looks like a head, in a way. Now it's
It looks like a dog.
Yeah, it looks like more like a dog.
That's really good though. Cream cheese and jam.
Yeah, cream cheese and jam is the best.
Oh no. It's beautiful.
Oh no.
I don't know what I'm trying to do.
Oh, it's gross right there.
Oh, mine's pale too.
Especially the hair.
I think the hair looks pretty good. Alright, so this one's mine. We talked about how it looks like Isabelle from Animal Crossing.
And this one's mine, which looks more beautiful.
I'm gonna use peanut butter for my hair, I think.
Peanut butter would be good. And
Peanut
then you could
butter.
do like some Nutella towards the ends, because it's like darker.
I didn't even think of doing my skin tone. But I was just
That's
thinking,
like already
but I
my
mean,
skin
kind of
tone,
want to
but
put
that's
like
so
some
yummy.
foundation on there. It's kind of uneven. You know, maybe I'm gonna do a little bit of a, do you have like a small bowl that I can make some cream cheese and peanut butter in?
Yeah.
I've made a peanut butter and cream cheese texture mixture thing. This is a pretty good skin tone, I'd say.
Yeah, that's actually a really good skin tone.
You know, this is
think
turning
mine's
out.
a pretty good skin tone.
This is turning out better than I thought I was going to be able to do this. It's a contest, and you guys will be able to vote in the little clicky thing in the corner.
Vote for me.
Vote for Pedro. Oh, okay, you're copying me.
Oh yeah. Well, I thought of it. Honestly,
You know,
I thought of it before you started.
You can do it. I don't care.
I just looked at yours. And I looked at mine.
What? Maybe I should do some honey down at the bottom because my hair's kind of that weird ombre. Got that strange thing going. It's funny because we both have like, it looks like we're making the same person.
Except mine has red hair.
Yeah. It's like funny we're learning from each other to what not to do.
I want to do eyelashes though, so
I gotta do my eyebrows, stay thick. That's so cute, I'm gonna die. That is so cute. Well, I wanna, well, fine, I'm also gonna do chocolate chips for eyes because I can't think of anything else.
I mean, I think that's a pretty obvious choice, so.
I mean, I could do white for the whites of my eyes out of cream cheese. Yeah, I'm gonna try that, see how it looks. We're making a little sclera out of some like cream cheese. This is a little bit creepy. Finger painting. I need to make this anime. I kind of want to like see if I can't dump a little bit of this out and dip the eyeballs in it. What are you doing? Adding eyeshadow. Making it anime. It's working!
Whoa.
It's kind of scary though, especially. Okay, it looks better. It looks better when it's up at an angle like this, but it looks really scary when it's the camera angle right now. Oh my god, this is the scariest thing I've ever made in my life. It's so creepy. Okay, we're judging on detail.
I'm not done yet. Are you done?
I know. I need to do a mouth.
Yeah, me too.
Are you gonna build a nose?
No, I'm trying to decide if I want to do a nose. I mean, I guess I'm not making mine very realistic. Maybe I should try harder to make mine realistic.
Only if you want to make it creepy. I've got a 3D nose. I just want everybody to know that.
Should I leave the nose? Should I take it off?
I like it without the nose, but you can put the nose on if you want.
As you can see, I'm the artist in the family.
You're doing cartoony. I'm doing surreal.
I feel like this is my art style anyway.
Yeah.
Like when I used to draw my guy online character, it looked like this.
You draw your guy online character?
Well, who didn't?
If that's true. Or should I do a neck? I'm going whole body here.
Oh, I could do ears.
Should I do like a...
Oh, you could do like a headband or something. Oh, wow.
Those are clouds.
Yeah, I don't understand.
This is my wedding day. I love it. You know, it's not that bad when you look at it from a certain angle.
I don't think it's bad, it's just funny. Mine just looks like a mess.
It is really funny. I like yours. Oh my gosh, look at how strong my eyebrows are. Eyebrows strong.
Right.
That's so cute. Oh no, Emily's so on.
I don't know, my plate is very messy. It looks kind of gross.
I think environment, on the environment rating scale, I think I win because I have clouds. Just kidding. Yours looks like a pancake dinner in a children's movie. You know, yours looks like something. You should just illustrate books using pancakes.
That would take me 10 years.
Yeah, but that looks like really freaking good.
Thank you.
Who do you think did a better job? Me or Emily? Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you had fun with this video. It's kind of different than what we normally do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you have a great week. Bye!